Hello friends, सबको नमस्ते. So today in this video we will create a you can say we use EasyOCR or we can read text from the image. OCR basically full form is Optical Character Recognition, and for reading the text from the image we use EasyOCR package. You can see it. It's going to be a simple code and a small code. Let me explain you. This is images which I will use for recognition of the text from the image, and the threshold is basically the score value, or you can say or confidence, you can say a score value. First path, here just for the example I will use this path. First, image one as a GPG, this image for the recognition of the text from this particular image, and I will read it image, then I will make the copy of that image. Okay. uh, this is not a need of that. Now this is the main part. First we create the object of OCR using EasyOCR.reader, and in means reading the text of English. Okay, means it read text in the image which is of English. Okay, English language text it will read from the images. That's why EN represent the English. After creating the object of OCR, just read out or read text and let's pass the image. You will get the text format. After getting the text variable, in the text variable, text is stored with the bounding box values, text and score, everything. So here we iterate over the text. Okay, then it will it will give the result at what is a bounding box around it, around that particular text, then the text itself, and the score means what is the confidence that particular text is that particular written in that image. Okay, so let me show you everything what is happening here. Print, you can say print text also, so that I can show you. Okay, then print score also. Okay, so let me save it and then run it. And second time, please wait. See, this is the detail of the bounding box, and it's representing the text office, and the confidence level per that particular text is the office is 0.84, or you can say 84% surety that particular text is the office. Okay, and you can see that first text from this image is office itself. Okay, so this way, and here you can see this these values, this one, and this one. You can say these are the coordinates values. Okay, so how we can extract the bounding box coordinates values, let me show you. Let me comment them this, and let me uncomment it here. Okay, so score threshold which I have kept is 25%, means all the text which is above the 25%, that is surety is 25%, more than 25%, we will only display those texts. Okay, so how I will get top left, you can say top left coordinates of the bounding box. How I will get it using this, you can see that is list of the array. So how I can get this, that bounding box 0 means bounding box at this, go to this, and I will get this value. 0 0 0 give me this value, 0 1 give me this value. Okay, this way I retrieve, or you can say extract the bounding box details x1 y1, top left coordinate, x2 y2 bottom right coordinates. And why I have kept end means I want to you can say these all values. It might be possible that these values in a you can say in a float values, but I want to display for the representation of the bound rectangle around that particular text. I want those all values in an int format, so that's why I kept them. I converted them into the int. After that, using this, I want to display the rectangle around that particular text, so I have just used cv2 rectangle, then pass the image. then the x1 y1, x2 y2, then the color, and then the thickness. Now I have to put the text. For putting the text, use put text, put text of cb2, then the image, then the text which we have to display. Then these are the x1 y1 is the top left coordinates. Okay, and you can say I have minus y1 minus 5 I have done. Why? Because you can see that for the in every video I explain you for that in image by coordinate start from top left coordinates 0 0 value. For the by coordinate start from top left corner of the bounding box. If suppose y value is representing here, so I have to move up to display the text above the bounding box. To display the text above the bounding box, I have to move minus the by coordinate value. Okay, so that's why I have minus uh, y1 minus 5 here, then the font, then the scale, then the color, then the thickness. Okay, this way I display the images. Now I am just resizing those both images. Okay, okay, let me make a copy of that image. Copy basically representing it, representing here is like a original image. Okay, okay, this way. And then I have just resized them into 640 480. Then show image and image copy, and wait key is equal to 0 means infinite time it will wait. It will not just blink the image and close the tab. Just it will stable there for and display both images. Now let me show you the result. It will take time. See. Okay, so this is the original image, and this is the image with the text: office, manufacturing, stores, and parking. Okay, it's just recognizing the text correctly. Now let me show you the image with different. Uh, okay, let me choose different image. Let me choose this one. Copy relative path, and just kept it here. Okay, now let me save it. Then again, I have to go and show the result. Okay, so this is slow down and it's displaying slow down correctly. Okay, now uh, I have multiple images in my you can say in my folder. So I don't want to display name here image path one by one. I have to iterate inside the folder. So how I can do it? So just comment them all till here. This part is just for displaying image one by one image. Okay, now this part is for the iteration over the folder. Okay, so just for file enshorted in os.list directory input, just input is just a folder name. You can see inside a folder name it will list all the file name present in that particular folder and iterate over it one by one. After iterating over the file one by one, I have to iterate, give the file path, or you can say image path for reading of that particular image. So just os path dot join, then input, and then file. It will generate the image path, then we have to read it. Then EasyOCR reading reader English. I will tell you create the object and just pass the image. You will get a text. After getting the text, just iterate over the text one by one. Okay, you already seen that in one image it might be possible that multiple text will be present. That's why. So threshold. Okay, then x1 y1, then this I have already explained you everything here. See here I have used 0100, but you can also use x1 y1, both are representing the same thing. Then I am right, just I have kept all the I have you can say I have saved all the images in that particular folder, in the text folder. So let me run it, and Let me save all the images, okay, in the text folder which I have created. Okay, so let me pause this video because it might be take time because we have multiple images. So let me come back and show the result when all the results shape in that particular text folder. So let me show you the text images. Okay, so this is one thing. Stop here. Okay, stop. Perfect. Then this is I have already shown you, and this is, you can say stop if I have it's recognizing correctly. Okay, and you can see that color is the at this time I use the color red, but this time I've used the color pink. Okay, so don't get confused that this is the old images or everything. Okay, this is slow down, this is speed limit 30, dead end, limit ends. Oh, this is an image I downloaded from the Shutterstock. So you can see that it's displaying Shutterstock also, or you can say recognizing Shutterstock also. Okay, but the main thing is this: reduce speed your surface. Okay, and this is uneven footpath. Okay. Okay, so this all thing, this I have explained you everything here. I have explained you everything correctly, or line by line. Okay, so this is the optical character recognition using using the easy OCR. So this is I have done. So please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks to all.